Hi, my name is Corey. I'm the president of Computing Technologies Inc. We're a managed IT services provider, and I would rate usecure a 10 out of 10. The business problem that we're solving with usecure is end user security awareness training automation. In particular, it's very important that we automate new users and new end users onboarding into a company so that they get the same training that all other existing employees get, and that it's done so automatically, where we don't have to manually log in, create a profile for them. They're automatically pulled in through a directory sync and automatically enrolled into the same training product that all other end users at an organization are already receiving. We certainly like the automation best about usecure. This allows us to automatically pull in users and sync directories and get new users and new employees enrolled into the product without any manual intervention on our part. We also particularly like the direct message injection feature that's incorporated into the Microsoft 365 portion of the product. This allows us to forego configuring any allow listing or manually setting up customer environments to receive the secure emails and phishing tests. They just automatically end up in the user's inbox. There's no allow listing, no settings to configure. Very efficient process. I would say the thing that I like least about the product is sometimes there's an overwhelming amount of options to configure, especially in the multi-tenant aspect of it. You could really narrow down and turn certain features on and off for customers, but we find that in most cases, a simple blank slate across the board where everyone has the same feature set enabled is best. We don't necessarily need to go in and disable certain features or turn them off for specific customers or even specific users. My recommendation for anyone considering USecure is to ask yourself how important that automation factor is. As long as that's a big goal for you, I think USecure would be a great fit. And certainly consider demoing or trialing the product to ensure that it works for your needs.